mag-asawa? Ay, Diyos ko naman. Alam niyo ba, nagpahula ako, sabi sa akin, mapapangasawa ko daw masinop na lalaki. Baka ikaw na yan. And you know what? You don't have to do that when you pick me. Yeah, because you know what? I travel the world to spread happiness. Actually, last Thursday and Friday, I was in Abu Dhabi. I was doing this kind of thing. And now, yesterday, Saturday, I have some audience here. And now, I met you. And I think this is destined to be. So, again, what's your name?
Jared.
Jared. What is your last name?
Cansino.
Cansino. Team Cansino. Perfect. Okay. So, guys, here's what you will do. You will introduce yourself one by one. Okay? Can you move a little backwards? Okay. You will introduce yourself one by one. You will say your name, where you're from, and you will throw me a pickup line. You know, the pickup lines that we have in the Philippines, the pickup lines here, okay? Like ice cream ka ba? Like that. Bakit? I will say. O sasabihin mo yan. You know those pickup lines in the Philippines? Okay. You're familiar with it. And you are exempted. You can think of your own pickup line. You got one. Okay. So again, you will be Mr. Pogi number 1, Mr. Pogi number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. You're the last one. Okay? I will introduce them. I will say, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mr. Pogi, Bristol Barrio Fiesta 2014. Everyone will give them a round of applause. Okay? Okay? Sigawan, palakpakan at sigawan. Then, isa-isa kayo maglalakad. One by one, you will pose like this. Okay. To make things clear, I will give you a sample. Okay. Here, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bristol's Barrio Fiesta, Mr. Pogi 2014, syempre sponsored by Smart Pinoy. Go! Where's the... like this. Get Jesse on. That flight that you get on, international. Go do that. Seat on my lap, riding comfortable. Okay. Yes, you go in the middle, and you will say, gulat kayo, no? Kala nyo, gwapo ko, no? Nagkakamali kayo, ako po si Kim Idol, ako po yung taga Makati City, pick-up line, gano'n. Kasi niyo sa akin yung pick-up line. So that easy, hindi na kayo mahihirapan. So, let's start this. Lahat dapat magpapalakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Let's start with Mr. Pogi, number 1! Okay. No. You will introduce yourself first.
My name is Oliver. I'm from Bristol. Kim Idol.
Kim Idol, bakit?
Bolang kristal ka ba?
Bolang kristal ba ako?
Kasi nakikita ko future ko sa'yo eh.
Ay, gusto ko na siya. Yung girlfriend ka pa yung muna. Thank you very much. You can go back. Okay? Next is you. Come on, palakpakan naman para sa kanya.
Yo, I'm a mannequin from the Bristol one, Bristol BS1, true selection. I'll take this man, that be the Kim. I'll take the gang, hold tight everyone. Oh.
Taray! In fairness, ha? Pero hindi ko naiintindihan minsan. Okay, Mr. Pogi number 3!
Riding comfortable, cause I know what the girl in me.
In fairness.
I got lipstick stamps.
Okay. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is JK. I'm from London.
From London?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
I've got a line for you. You said you went to Dubai earlier on, right?
Yes, why?
Well, I can't afford the Gucci, I can't afford the Louis Vuitton, but there's a lot of things that I do buy.
Wow, in fairness ha. Hindi ko din naintindihan. Okay na yun. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, Mr. Pogi number 4.
Been a man the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need a strange. All I really need to understand.
Hi, my name is Michael Fred Berganya. I'm from Bristol, Cardiff.
Lumipat
Yeah,
ka
I'm
na.
in Bristol, but I'm from Cardiff.
Yes, and your pickup line.
Is, kahoy ka ba?
Kahoy ba ako?
Kasi salip mo si Batin.
Bakang putsa, no? Sige nga ako ka. Bakit hindi mo kasi bakin na yun sa harapan? Okay. Ang galing na in fairness, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, last but definitely not the least, Mr. Pogi number 5! Ay, uy, akin na lang siya.
Hi, I'm Jarek Cancino. I live in Bristol. I'm 21 years old and single.
You're from where in the Philippines?
Pangasinan.
Pangasinan.
Pero hindi ko alam kung ano ako, kung Chinese ako.
Talaga. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, kahit ano ka pa. Okay, what is your
Pick-up line ko. Ang dami na nilang sinabing pick-up line eh. Alam mo, wait, ito na rin.
Ay, masyado niya siniseryoso. Ay, God, I'm sure may gusto to sa akin. Biro lang, okay.
Wala na akong ano maisip na pick-up line eh. Sinabi na nila eh.
Ano, ang lalaki gagawin mo?
Ikaw lang nasa isip ko eh. Isa pa rin.
Alam mo, Jeric, meron akong pick-up line din para sa'yo eh. Alam mo, pag iniisip kong mawawala ka sa buhay ko, para akong nagbubuhat ng ref. Bakit? Hindi ko kaya eh. Isa pa, okay, isa pa. Pagalingan tayo ah. Cactus ka ba? Maganda na yung une. Ngayon, cactus na. Oh, cactus, bakit?
Handa akong masaktan, mayakap lang kita.
Alam mo, Jerry, naisip na naman ako ng sumunod. Baril ka ba? Baril ka ba?
Bakit?
Bakit hindi mo ako